Hey, welcome everyone, and this is going to be the first video in a series of how-tos that I promised you in the last video TikTok that I posted a few days back. Now, if you're in this online space, one of the first things that you really need to get fixed in your mind is making money. Now, this sounds so simple, but why a lot of people do not succeed is because they're not focused on making money. They're focused on the money that they don't have. You get trapped in your current condition, in your current situation. You see making money as a goal, as a vision, something that needs to happen in the future, and you're drawn by all the promises that are out there as to how easy it is for you to make it. But the problem is that people are still focused on their day-to-day situations, not having money, rising prices. How are they going to pay the rent? How are they going to pay the bills? Why are they having to pay another $20 in the supermarket for goods that were costing way less just a few months back? These are all current conditions, and we get trapped in those current conditions. So the first thing that you need to do in order to succeed to making money online is shift your mindset. Now, that's easier said than done, because for a lot of people, they suffer from fear of failure, fear of not being able to achieve. But it's that differential between where you want to be and where you are now. If you keep thinking and focusing on your current condition, that's where you're going to stay. Okay. Now, if you need help on this, or further information, I do have a free Facebook group where I break open in more detail some of this to help people get legs and move more towards the direction that they need to be in. And my Facebook group is free, by the way, unlike other people who are trying to get you into the $7 program or sell your courses. My information is free, so take advantage of it. Hop in, drop a comment, Facebook group, and I'll send you a personal invite to get in there. Follow me for more. I'm going to be focusing on this how-tos, but the first fundamental is bridging that gap between where you want to be and where you are now. It's so basic, but it's so fundamental, and people just don't get it, and they blame the whole industry as being a scam because they don't achieve what they want. You need to draw yourself back and shift your focus from where you are now to where you want to be. See you on the next one. Follow me to see the next one as well.